here at Einstein's Workshop's 3D Printerfest. Let's go see what's happening.
So iRobot uses 3D printing in a bunch of different ways. What we're demonstrating here is how we use 3D printing to advance our new technologies. We can iterate really, really quickly on new designs and save a lot of time and get really great results testing these 3D printed parts.
This is kind of my chance to make something cool in Minecraft that let other people do cool things and make it kind of be real.
I noticed that one of your prints looks as if it's upside down. Is that on purpose?
Yep, very true. Yeah, but it's actually a whole little place inside that you can live, and there's a little waterfall inside, and there's all kinds of funny details.
And this was printed on the very first 3D printer in the MIT 3D printing lab that is now in the is in the MIT museum.
Some of these projects are out of this world.
I'm Bruce McKenzie, Executive Director of the Mars Foundation. What we want to do is plan for a couple people to go to Mars, and they can make things after they get there. But what's really interesting is the 3D printers. You can make plastic out of the air, out of the carbon dioxide and water. You'd send a 3D printer like this one, and then you can print all kinds of useful things. Well, first you'd bring a greenhouse from Earth, and then as soon as possible you'd make fiberglass and plastic and build more greenhouses. This design looks like it could have been made by the Romans, right? Just a bunch of masonry vaults and arches. But you can make brick or glass block after you arrive on Mars. So someday your descendants might be living in something like that.
All of this 3D printing is making me hungry. Let's go check out some 3D printing that not only looks cool, but tastes cool too.
Hi, we're Team Ice Cream. I'm Kyle.
I'm David.
And for a class, we designed an ice cream 3D printer. So we use nitrogen, so it comes out foggy. It's pretty cool.
This is really cool. Do you ever eat your creations?
It's tasty enough. There were a couple of other printers in the class, and we're arguably the most tasty there, just because the other guys were printing things like carbon fiber resin and other plastics and glass, so probably a good choice to eat ours over theirs.
That's a lot of awesome 3D printing. But let's talk to some other kids who are making 3D designs themselves.
My design took a lot of work to make. My design was a snowman. His nose kind of fell off. I named him Bob.
I really like the programming.
Well, I put some block there, and then that's how you make the hat. I just like making stuff.
Kind of has a big head, so I would kind of change that and then print it. And I would like to print a sports car.
Well, between all the fun technology and the creative things people are doing, this has been one exciting day.